It's easy to add and edit the pages of your website using the best website builder. Let's log in now and take a look. So once you log into your site, you'll see this top toolbar. We're going to click on the Pages tab now. In this first field, this is where you can change the name of a page. So I'm going to change this to Our Story for now. And if you notice, it changes the name of that page in the navigation bar in real time. The navigation bar is on the top right of your website. Now, if you do not want to have a page show up in the navigation bar, just click No here. It's important to note that if you do choose No, that page is still on your website. It's just not viewable in the navigation bar. Some of the reasons why you might want to do this is if you have an offer page that you're driving customers to through an email, but you don't want the normal visitors to your website to see that offer page in the navigation bar. That would be a good reason to click No there. Also, maybe you have important legal information that you have to keep on your site, but you really don't want it to show up in the top navigation bar. That's also another example of why you would click No on that radio button. You can also make this page a sub-page of another page. Now it has to be a page that you've already set up. So we're going to do that now. We're going to add another new page by clicking this button. Click Save and Continue. And we're going to make a service page to go under our services. So this is going to be Services, Service number 1. And now we can make this a subpage of our services. And click Save there. You can decide if you want a page to have a password or not. So if there's important information on a page that you don't want the general public to get access to, you can add a password. I'll show you how to do that now. So I'm going to come up with a super hard to crack password here. Once you click the password radio button, you can type in and make up your own password. Then after you click Save, if you want to access that page, you have to have a password. So I'm just going to open this up in a new tab so we can take a look at what that looks like. So now if I try to go to Service 1, I have to have a password to get in. I'll type in my super top secret password here, and now we're on the page. Now there's no content on this page yet, that's why it looks like this. Alright, I'm going to take this back to public now. You can also create an offsite link. So let's say there is another website that you want your visitors to have easy access to. I'll do an example like click Save and Continue for the changes we've made. Let's say I want the visitors to easily view the weather. It's not really as popular anymore these days, but hey, it's a good example for now. So we can type in the web address here. You can even make this link a subpage of another page. But once I click OK, View the Weather page will show up here, and when a visitor clicks on that page or that link, it'll actually take them to another website, the website that we linked. You can also add a drop-down menu. Now, we put service number 1 underneath our services, but I'm going to explain the difference now between a drop-down menu and creating a subpage. So let's go ahead and set up a drop-down menu. For this one, we'll call it Our Products. Okay. Now we're going to add another new page, and this is going to be product number 1. We're going to make product number 1 be a subpage of our products, the drop-down menu. And click Save. Now this is another important thing to note, is how you can rearrange the order of the pages on your navigation bar. So if I take our products, I can move it over here beside our services and click Save. Now, like I said, I'm going to show you the difference between a drop-down menu and a subpage. So for our products, product number 1 shows up when you hover over it, just like it does with our services. But the difference is, on our services, if we click on it, you can add content to that page. But if you try to click on the drop-down menu, there's no content to show. So there might be times that you want to have a page be a subpage of another page, and you need that main page to have content on it. Other times, you may want to just have a drop-down menu. I'm going to click on the Pages tab again. Okay, the last thing to show you is probably the most important thing to show you, which is your SEO data. This is where you change that information here. Now, it defaults to have the Use Global Settings checked. Now, that is the global settings for the whole website. We recommend that you uncheck that and set up unique page titles and descriptions for all your pages. This is going to help you rank higher in search. And we talked a lot about how important these page titles and descriptions are in another video, so I suggest you go back and watch that. But to help you out, we've put below this video the formula that we use whenever we're setting up our page titles and descriptions. So that's all I need to show you right now on the pages, and in the next videos we'll look at how to add content to those pages. Thanks so much for watching.